The first step in shipping your golf clubs is packing. It is very important to properly prepare your items for shipping, as they may be transported via plane, train, or truck for multiple days at a time and can experience a lot of bumps on their journey. Following these packing tips will help your clubs arrive safe and sound. Golf clubs can be shipped in either a soft-sided travel case, hard-sided travel case, or a box. We're going to use a travel case, but the process will remain the same for a box as well. When shipping golf clubs, it is important to use adequate protective padding around the heads. We want to be sure that they are ready for your tee time as soon as they deliver. Once the heads are wrapped, place your golf bag in a travel case and secure it shut with either a lock or a zip tie. We recommend using the club glove stiff arm to further protect your clubs as well. No matter what you're shipping, be sure you pack everything as securely as possible so there's no wear and tear on your items while they're shipping. Once everything is packed away, you're good to go.